Hello and welcome to another crochet tutorial. Today I just wanted to show you how you can crochet these jellyfishes. I made several in different colors and this is a great pattern for beginners. Also this is another stash busting pattern that you can make. You can customize these and I'm going to show you how. Also, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you a few amigurumi tips and tricks that I have. I'm working with rainbow yarn today. This is the 8-to-8 quality. This is not sponsored, but you can also use two different shades of color like I did with this one. Also, you're going to need scissors, crochet hook 3.5mm, and a tapestry needle. You're gonna need safety eyes, or you can just sew on the eyes as well. These are for the big ones. I used 12mm. For the smaller one I used 8. For this one I used 9. So my name is Ragnhild and I make weekly videos here on YouTube, and I also have a blog that you can visit. I'm gonna leave a link below, but be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell and you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Make a magic ring. If you don't know how to make one, there's a video here. Now chain 1. This does not count as a stitch, and we're just gonna start like we always do with 6 single crochets in the ring, or like we always do, like most of the patterns does with the amigurumi, just 6 single crochets in that ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6. And also, if you stick to the end, I'm going to show you some of my finishing tips. Also, one lady asked me how I hold my yarn. I hold it like this. I do it between the little finger and the ring finger, and here 2 times around my my pinky, I think it's called in English, and this is how I keep my yarn tension. Okay, now back to the pattern. We're gonna just increase in every stitch for the complete round, so 2 single crochets in each stitch. Okay, so now we're gonna do 1 single crochet in the next stitch and increase in the next. So here is 1 single crochet, increase in the next. So you're gonna repeat this all the way around until we have 18 single crochets. So now we're gonna do 2 single crochets and 1 increase in the next. So here 1 and 2 and increase in the next. Repeat this all the way around until you have 24 stitches. Now the last increase round, do 3 single crochets and 1 increase in the next. So 1, 2, and 3. And increase in the next. And now we're gonna do 1 single crochet in each stitch for 6 rounds. So 1 single crochet in each stitch, and when you are done with each round, just move up your stitch marker like we do when we are crocheting in spiral rounds. Now we are going to do some decreases in the back loop only, but don't be scared, it's not dangerous. So we're gonna do here's the front loop and here's the back loop. So do 3 single crochets, 1, 2, and 3. And just grab the back loop here and go to the next, through the next back loop like so, and then grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over and pull through. That's a decrease in the back loop. So we're just gonna repeat this. Gonna show you one more time. 3 single crochets, 3, and then 3, and then here decrease like so. It's a little fiddly, but it's only this round, and on the next rounds we will work through both loops, but repeat this all the way around. So now this is where the skirt will be, and now if you want to, you can, or I suggest to just make the face now, and I will attach the safety eyes a couple of stitches here So I recommend to just play around and see. Okay, I think this is cute, so I just put the eyes here, a couple of stitches above here where the back loops, where the front loops are free, and I just made a mouth here in the middle. So now I'm just gonna, when you're happy, you're gonna attach the back part here, and now we're gonna do more decreases. After this round, you're gonna add stuffing. So do 2 single crochets, and now we go like normal, 1 and 2 and 1 decrease. And I do it through the back loop only here, like so. Now repeat this all the way around, 2 single crochets and 1 decrease. You should have 18 stitches afterwards. So I have a whale and amigurumi whale that I made a couple of weeks ago. You can also find it here on my channel, but it will go great with these jellyfishes. So be sure to check that out. I'm gonna leave links under the video. So now you're gonna do 1 single crochet and then 1 decrease. Repeat all the way around, 1 single crochet and then 1 decrease. Repeat all the way around. If you need to add more stuffing, do it here. We are going to do 1 decrease in every stitch. So decrease 6 times. Now cut the yarn and leave a longer tail. I'm gonna show you a little trick, like I promised. So slip stitch in the next stitch. Now to get a nice finish, you just go through the front loop, the 1 loop, and just pull like so. And then when you are done, you will see that it creates a nice, get a nice closing. And then just go back through there in the middle, and you can go here, up here, and then just pull. Like so. Now cut the yarn. You know, feel free to add the different colors on the skirt or on the tentacles. So I'm gonna make a slip knot here, and then just attach, and just go through the 1 loop here, yarn over, and do a slip stitch. Now chain 2. Now we're gonna do, either you can do half double crochets or double crochets. I'm gonna do half double crochets. So just yarn over and insert the hook in that same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. I'm gonna do 1 more there, like so. If you want to do double crochets, you can just yarn over here and pull through 2 and pull through 2. I'm gonna do 3 half double crochets in each stitch all the way around, and this will be his skirt. You can also do just 2 half double crochets, or you can do 2 half double crochets or 3 half double crochets and alternate between double crochets. So just play around and make your own little version of the jellyfish. Now I'm done. I made 3 half double crochets in each stitch, and I'm just gonna slip stitch here through the first stitch, and then cut the yarn and weave in the ends. For the tentacles, I'm just gonna do a different shade of green. I'm gonna start with a chain, and then I'm gonna add different numbers of chains, so you have different length of the tentacles. So here I think I added like 46, and here's about 30, and maybe 28 or also, yeah, 28 I think it is. So you're just gonna make some chains, how many you like. Leave a little tail there. Don't crochet so tight here. You want them a little bit loose. So now in the second chain from the hook, I'm gonna do 3 single crochets. And I'm gonna do this in each stitch. One of my testers, she told me that she only did 2 single crochets here. You can also do half double crochets or double crochets, however you like. But since this is a small jellyfish, I think it looked nice with just single crochets. So when you do this, you will get a spiral, like it will start to curl up, and afterwards you should just have to straighten here the spirals. So repeat this in every stitch, and then I did 3. You can also make different colors. Finished, just leave a longer strand and then yarn over and pull through. So I made 2 now. I'm gonna make 1 more. I made this one with 31 chains and it's a little shorter, and I'm gonna make one now with 25 chains. And if they look like this, you can just straighten it like so. So I just go through here and I place them on different places. My little guy is ready, and I just wanted to tell you a couple of tips that I have. If you are making amigurumis, it's a good idea to use a little smaller hook than the yarn recommends. Normally a little bit smaller hook, like 1 size or half a size is better than too big if you are making amigurumis. And also the second tips that I have is not to stuff your amigurumis too tight, because then you will see the stuffing here through the stitches, and we don't want that. Also, another tip that I have is to use cotton yarn, because it's very durable, and you can find also cotton yarn that has a nice little shimmer to it. And also, if you have animals, for example, and if they happen to eat like 1 strand, and that will not be so dangerous for them as if they eat acrylics, because that they can digest acrylics. I hope that you like this video, and please make sure to share a picture with me on Instagram or Facebook. That's it for me today. I hope you had fun with these. I hope you had fun making these little jellyfishes, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell for more notifications. Have a nice day. Goodbye.